Your Jeep smell like gas? No, not that kind of gas. Do you have a fuel vapor coming from the back of your Jeep you might notice on the outside of it when you're walking around it? Hold on, I'm going to tell you what it might be right after this. Hey everyone, Joe from Boulay's Garage. Hey, if you get yourself 2011, 2012, around that area, Jeep Wrangler, and you got a fuel leak happening, or a fuel vapor smell, they like to crack right here where the ring mount goes. So yeah, a lot of times it can be a fuel filler neck, but in this case it's a cracked fuel pump housing. Anyway, thought you might want to know that. Hey, Joe from Boulay's Garage. So this Jeep gas smell is actually on my girlfriend's Jeep, and it needed a fuel filler neck. I replaced that. Still fuel leak. It had a evap leak code, large leak detected, but I had to replace the fuel filler neck, and that was kind of fun because you had to basically unbolt the body from the frame and jack it up to get it out. I got that done. Still fuel vapor smell, and it was getting to be a pain. I knew that I would have to drop the tank to check it out, and in the first little video you saw, you could see that the retaining ring underneath it, the plastic portion of the pump, had a crack in it, and it was leaking past the seal, and there you go. Something I recommend you do, don't go aftermarket. Get a good Delphi pump if you're going to replace it. Get a retaining ring for it too. I was questioning how the little prongs that stick up on the tank were going to be, because it's got a plastic tank, but they were fine. I cleaned them up really well and used some Rust-Oleum paint to try and stop the rust from happening anymore. But I ordered 2 aftermarket pumps for it, import direct. Both of them are wrong. So don't go that route. Get a good Delphi pump. And the build date's really important on it. There's going to be a couple different build dates. Hers is a 2011. But fuel leaks aren't anything to mess with, even vapor. But I got it straightened out. I dropped the tank down. It needed a new skid plate. Found a used one, pretty reasonable. A brand new one through the dealer was like almost $800, but I got a used one at Salvage Yard for like a couple $100, which is really good. But yeah, so that's what I found. I went round and round with it for a while. Could be a bunch of different things, but that's what it ended up being. So hey, I hope this video helps you out. I was chasing the problem for quite a while, and you know, if I can help you out, great. Until next time, see ya.